Hi everyone, I'm Sam Clift, the artist behind Samantha Clift Art. I just wanted to make this quick video just to introduce you to my art channel. I've been drawing all my life really and loved to draw as a child. I used to love copying the Disney DVDs and anything that I could get my hands on really. Comics, had this lovely book that I used to copy the pictures from. But over the last 15 years or so, I've not really done much art. I dabbled in acrylics and oils, and I used to paint still life just for fun really, just as a hobby. But it's only since I've had my two children that I've just found the motherhood journey so busy, and just constantly kind of giving yourself to other people, which is fine, it's all part of it. But I needed that escapism really more than ever, and I needed, from the madness of life, just have a little bit of time when I could slow down and just take my time at something, just lose yourself in art. And I think that's what it is for a lot of people. It's the opportunity to put your whole mind into something. Life's so busy, just put your whole mind into something that you can really concentrate on. So for me, when Thea was about a year old, I felt like I really needed something to decompress. And I found drawing again. I started with acrylics, which is what I knew, dabbled with a bit of watercolour, and since then, over the 2 years, I've drawn every day, at least for 10 minutes or so. And I really think that I could use what I've learnt in the last 2 years especially to help people fast track their learning. I've got lots of experience on things that I've done wrong and things that I wish I knew back then, and I'd really like to help other people. So this channel is going to be mainly art tips and tutorials to help you improve your drawing skills. I'm going to be using watercolour, colour pencil, graphite, charcoal, and I'd really love to use pastel pencils. I haven't touched them yet. I wanted to improve my other pencil work first of all before I did that, so maybe you could come along that journey with me. So I'm going to be putting videos out every week, at least once a week, maybe more in the future. Lots of art tips and advice, and also tips on how to start your own business. You have to be admin, accounts, artist. I mean, the art actually is only about 20% of what I do. So it would be really great if I could share that knowledge with you. And that's really why I wanted to start this YouTube channel, to show you what I've learnt, help you improve your drawing skills, but also build a bit of a community together, which would be really great. And we could go along on this art journey together. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.